Hi, Wes Lee, and welcome to the weekly Mesonet Weather Report. Oklahoma has been in a rainfall slump for quite a while. Even eastern counties have went a couple of weeks without much rain. Weekly rainfall totals from June 17th show just how dry the week was. Fortunately, the best rain total hit one of the driest areas at Hooker, but even it was only 0.6 of an inch. This map, also from Wednesday, shows just how long it has been since a significant quarter-inch or more rain event has occurred. For Boise City, it has been almost half a year since a good rain has fallen. For other areas in the Northwest, it has been 3 weeks or longer. Of course, lack of rain means very dry soil conditions. This map of 4-inch percent plant available water shows a lot of red with single digits in much of the western two-thirds of the state. These dry, shallow conditions limit the germination of double crops that need to be planted behind the wheat recently harvested. The conditions down to 16 inches are not much better, again showing red colors for about the western half of the state. Hopefully, the high heat dome that is locked onto the state will be breaking up soon, and many areas will see at least some rainfall by the end of the weekend. Now here's Gary discussing 60-day rainfalls and the drought picture.
Thanks, Wes, and good morning, everyone. Well, we continue with this flash drought situation across much of northwestern and central Oklahoma, and then we have the long-term drought we're dealing with out in the Oklahoma Panhandle, especially the western Oklahoma Panhandle. Let's get right to that new Drought Monitor map and see what we have. Same basic picture, except just a little bit of strengthening across much of the state, at least in those places where the drought is already occurring. We now have severe drought surrounding a good area of extreme drought across Dewey, Blaine, and Kingfisher counties, with that severe drought extending up into the Payne County area, up in approaching the Osage County area, and then it extends all the way out to the western Oklahoma border with Texas, out in the Texas Panhandle. The 90-day rainfall amounts are really starting to tell the story with this flash drought across western Oklahoma into central Oklahoma. We have that tongue of less than 2 to 3 inches of rainfall, or around 2 to 3 inches of rainfall that occurs from the western Oklahoma border with Texas over into Kingfisher County. Watonga, only 2.9 inches of rain. Kingfisher, 3.3. Arnett out in Roger Mills County, or Ellis County, 2.9 inches. And then we see that general area of 3 to 5 inches over most of the northwestern quarter of the state. Again, as we go to the 90-day departure from normal rainfall map, we can see those amount to some pretty significant deficits for springtime in Oklahoma. I know we're into summer now, but this really reflects what's happened during the rainiest time of the year in Oklahoma. We now have deficits from the Texas-Oklahoma border in western Oklahoma, and we are right in the midst of our rainiest time of the year as we go from mid-May through mid-June. So those are significant deficits. So I really hope we receive some rainfall that will cut back a little bit on the drought. And even if it doesn't improve the drought situation, hopefully it will halt its spread, maybe halt that intensification just for a little bit longer, maybe till we get a more favorable weather pattern as we go into more later into the summer months. And we'll see where it goes from there. That's it for this time. We'll see you next time on the Mesonet Weather Report.